Hello and welcome to my new stixy tutorial. I actually made one already for the project, but I decided to go ahead and redo this video because now I have a better microphone that doesn't pick up quite so much static, and I decided to streamline this process. So let's do this thing. What you do is, in order to access Stixy, you go to stixy.com. The actual homepage of Stixy itself is itself a Stixy, but since I'm logged in under my Gmail account up here, you can see, I am already taken to my dashboard here. So what we're going to do first is we're going to take a look at these options. New Stixy board. Pretty self-explanatory. It creates a new one up here. Share, to share with different people. Your options are pretty basic. You edit the title, the tags, the description, who can view it, to share, to copy, to delete, and it's all pretty simple from there. So, aside from that, there are Stixy board options over here. As you can see, same deal pretty much, and clicking on Edit Stixy board options over there does the same thing. You can notify anybody who has this board shared with them of any updates, or recover deleted widgets, which is this function down here, which, recovers something once you've deleted it. Now let's talk about these things that I'm actually dragging and dropping onto the board. You have 4 functions down here, as you can see: Note, Photo, Document, and To Do. I've already added 2 up here, but let's delete them, and we'll put them on again. Note is like a sticky note. See, I have this program here. It's to remind me of the name and library where I'm doing my field work. And so to use it on here, we can just write a reminder for me. And you can change the style of the note. You have a couple of preset options over here. Or you can change the font manually. You have to select it, of course. Change the text, the color, the size, and the alignment, the background color, opacity, and reset. Photo. Photos, you click, add photo, choose file, and then you have to go to your picture file, picture folders, and upload a picture. We're just going to add this here. Alright, I paused it for you because the picture took a while to upload. But here we go. Now you can see it. It's a picture that I took while I was in Rome. And there it is. You can, again, change the effects, give it a frame, or not. Let's remove the frame. I don't like the frame. We can put it in grayscale, or we can rotate it. All pretty standard photo editing effects. The second function, the second widget down here, document, we can click to add documents from the desktop. Let's see, add this. This is a character chart that I made for National Novel Writing Month. And then if we click on it here, it'll open up, and we can download it and view it. There we go. And now I have full viewing and editing privileges on this document. But we're going to close that out and do something else. Instead of adding a document, this time we're going to add a photo, which I know we did already, but bear with me. So we're going to click on this instead, and we're going to add the same photo, but as a document. Once again, I paused it while it was loading for time reasons, and as you can see, we've got this here, and we can click on it. It'll download it and open it, as an image. You may have noticed that the images have changed places. That's because I had to redo it. There's this very strange bug in Stixy that I have not found out how to fix yet, wherein when you click on this to open it, in a browser, just left click, it clears your stixy when you go back to it. So instead you have to open it in a new tab, and then we'll go over here. We can see the image of the street in Rome in a brand new tab and not have it deleted. How are we all feeling? Pretty easy. There's one last thing that I wanted to make a note of. Well, two last things, I guess. You can hide this list. That's not a big deal. You can hide this and just look at your board. The other thing I wanted to make a note of is my astute observers will have seen up here that whenever I make a change, the board, this thing up here, this bar up here turns orange. That means that there have been changes since it was last made. It auto-saves every 30 seconds, which is nice, because then, like Google Docs, it saves every edit. Or you can simply choose to save it now. Well, that's pretty much it for stixy. There's not much else to it. It's pretty simple. Thanks for listening, and have a nice night.